girl.
Now I wish I could fix her hair. Oh. Oh, thank you, Nana. The leash.
She's so busy.
Mm-hmm.
Busy feeding Ame.
And Ame's eating it.
She's more speeding.
You gonna take Ame for a walk now?
After.
Yeah? Oh, she's still hungry? Okay. And today is November 27th. You are 15 months old. No, not the water, please.
No.
Not the water.
Where's she sitting?
Mm-hmm. Who's home? Not in the water, Jennifer. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, thank
Aw.
you. Why did you turn your face? Thank you. I like the way she's sitting there.
Yeah. Oh, she's sitting.
You ready for Papa to come in?
No, not in the water, please, Jennifer. Yeah, water. Yeah. Not in the water. No, ma'am. Take your hand out of the water, please. Please, take your hand out. Thank you. Hi, little girl. Jennifer, not in the water. Not in the water. Is it cold? Yeah. Take your hand out. Who's that? Papa's home.
Hi.
She's playing with the dog food. She's feeding Ame.
Really?
Here, Papa, you want some?
How does that taste, Jennifer? You like the dark ones better than the light ones?
She's not eating it. She's giving it to Ame.
Hello, Alma. They didn't pick the trash up there today. Phil said it was because it was overfilled.
Hmm.